Most Wi Fi issues blamed on access points have nothing to do with the access points. A car manufacturer brought me in to upgrade their facility's aging Wi Fi system with missed access points. The plan was simple: swap out the old APs and get better performance. But minutes later, after we brought a section online, devices started failing. No IP addresses, no connectivity, and the blame? Squarely on the new access points. I knew the access points weren't the issue. Mist was giving us all the clues. DHCP discover and renew requests were failing. At Packet 6, we specialize in full stack network deployments. We've seen how quickly blame gets placed on Wi Fi, even when the real problem lies upstream, which is why we created a plan for them to migrate to new switchport configurations. But something got lost in translation. So we dug deeper. Switch ports were misconfigured, some set to access mode instead of trunk, missing VLANs, access points landed on the wrong subnet, and devices were just left isolated. Then we found a DHCP scope on the firewall, missing an exclusion. One client got assigned the gateway's IP address, and that one mistake took down Wi Fi access for everyone. Still, something was off on the critical SSIDs. That's when we found switch port security. Each access point port that it was connected to was limited to 3 MAC addresses. So the access point connected, 2 devices followed, and every other client was dropped after that, silently. We removed the switch port security limits, we disabled the old wireless controller they still had running, and we cleaned up DHCP. And suddenly, the network worked end to end, flawlessly. The real lesson? When Wi Fi breaks, don't stop at the access point. Trace the whole client journey. That's how you fix the network.